I was at the rental show, and I saw this thing called the Mongo Mover, and I was like, that's the answer. Because now I could load chairs, 50 on a stack, and I could tilt that stack back onto wheels, and then I could roll it anywhere I want. And they're big wheels.
I should have like a nickname for this place. I think like something like the Labyrinth. I know.
It is tough to get around. So, this is the Mongo Mover. So, when you tilt your chairs, they come back like this, and then you can roll anywhere with one finger. You don't have to, because like all the weight is supported by the cart. So, everything, all my chairs are blocked in here, but I'll pull some out.
Yeah, because we have these. A lot, like quite a few of these. And I mean, they're all right. Like, they're all right. If the casters were bigger on these.
The biggest problem here is that I have these on a separate cart, because these are on our big storage thing.
Yeah.
But normally these would be on the ground.
But you could still take it off the racking there. Yeah, and then you carry it like that.
If I got to roll over grass, I don't have to lift it. Like,
and it's narrow that way.
Yeah.
Because that's the problem. You're going to the backyard.
Yeah.
Or somewhere where there's a door.
I fit through any
gate. Yeah. Yeah, that's
and,
genius.
Like, to tilt it isn't hard. Like, to tilt it back.
Yeah, that was great. Yeah.
It's effortless. And the best part is, your carts, you just put them on these little plastic pallets, and you leave that with the customer. The customer stacks them afterwards. Love it.
Well, we just gave Mongo Movers. They're still in business. Looks like a really old branding, but yeah.
Yeah, the only thing I don't like about Mongo is their pallets. They call these little things underneath pallets.
Okay.
They're too expensive.
Yeah.
Like, for what it is, they're too expensive. So, Granite Industries sells a version of this now as well. And they have a little... Actually, I really like their chair pallet because their chair pallet has wheels. So it's a little metal cart that you could roll around your shop, or you pick it up with the same cart.
Nice. Okay.
Fantastic. We're going to be investing in those.
Okay. What was the company name again?
Granite Industries.
Granite.
Yeah.
Like the stone. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Try and tilt that. You want me to record you?
Sure.
Hey, hold on. Stopped it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now reach.
Okay, so I was a little afraid that the chairs weren't going with the dolly, but they are.
Yeah.
Nice. You're right. Yeah. Just easy. Of course, that was my very first time using this, but so I hesitated. Let's say, or did it gently.
Yeah. Now put it back down, and then I'll show you one other trick. So, yeah, just put your foot on that. Now hold your left hand on the cart, put your right hand on the back of the chair. Like right there where you can grab it.
Okay.
No, up top, right into here.
Oh, okay. Like this.
And now give a good pull back.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's not like, so it's just holding on, yeah.
And you could roll that anywhere.
Yeah. I didn't. I see. It actually works better with my left hand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. I do like this. Yeah. Okay. We are getting a cube truck finally this year, and with a power tailgate.
Yay!
It's already pre-ordered for lease type thing. So, well, that's gonna save a lot of time. We're gonna throw it up on the power tailgate, just lift it up. There's still some aspects missing, like going through those gates. You drive up to the person's house, you power it down, and then yeah, this would be absolutely fantastic, theoretically. There's still micro issues. Like even when you have these stacked in a trailer, the first load might be a bit tricky.
Nope.
Oh. Wait a second. So this separates from from the actual. Oh yeah. Oh, I see. It wouldn't be tricky because you just get the middle one. It's not like it's on the side or anything. You just get the
Exactly.
middle one. Yeah. Okay. Nice. I like it.
Okay.